Hi, my name is Elisa, and now I'm here in Central Park. Oh no, that's not good. Cut, cut, cut. Hi, my name is Elisa. Oh shit, just forgot my last name. Okay, shut up. Hi, my name is Elisa Barros. I'm here in Central Park, one of the most touristic points here in New York City. And we have like people that live here in New York, people that are come just to visit. And I would like to know from them what they like from New York, what they dislike from New York, and everything they can think about this city that is so huge and never sleeps. Okay, now I'm going to try to find someone to give me a little interview, just like quick questions and everything. But I don't know if it's gonna be easy to find someone because they are always in rush here in New York. But let's try. Come with me, Dani. Hi. Can I just talk with you for a second? What do you like the most about New York City?
Meet a lot of different people, have different backgrounds, and I think it's a very diverse city. You get to, yeah, see everything, learn a lot.
And what you dislike about New York?
Hmm. Subway delays, rats, trash.
Yeah, this is definitely not good. And if you could give a tip for people that are coming here in New York, what to do or what to see, what would you say for them?
Like to visit or to live. Okay. Either way, don't waste your time buying a Metro card. Just doing the tap to pay is way easier. I think I see a lot of people trying to buy Metro cards, so like you're wasting your time. But other than that, like just get outside and meet people. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Summer. Thank you. It was great. We had one. So let's try to find someone else. Hi, can I talk to? Oh, okay, sorry. Everyone, every every day they are in really rush here in New York. So let's try and find someone else. Okay, let's try another. Hi, can I talk to you just for a second? What's your name?
I'm Chelsea.
Chelsea, how long have you been here in New York City?
I've only been here a few months.
Oh, where are you from?
I am originally from Arkansas. May I ask why you're asking?
It's just for a little project that I'm doing on my Instagram because I'm a journalist. So I'm trying to start something new on my Instagram to have some views and finally get a job.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you could give any tip for the people that are coming here to New York City to visit or to live, what would you say for them?
I would say leave room for the unexpected. Sometimes your best adventures happen when you just go for a walk outside. So just embrace it.
Elisa with the S, ELISA Barros. I'm from Brazil and I'm here for a while. Yeah, that's me. Thank you. I'm gonna post her. It was great. She was really great with me. Yeah, right, Dani? Did you like her too? Because I really did. Oh, look at this view. Doguinhos. Little Hello, dogs. They're so cute. Okay. Ready? Hi, can I talk to you for a second? They're not great. Really. All the old people that I try to interview, they just ignore me. That's not cool. Yeah, like just the youngest. They are great. Okay. Hi, can I talk to you for a second? Oh, okay. Not great. Really. I'm being more ignored than I thought that I would be. That's not cool. Definitely not cool. I'm not happy with this. It's not easy to be a journalist. Really. For me. Maybe the dog can give me an interview. What do you think? Yeah. Cause it's been really hard. This one. Hi, can I talk to you for a second?
Sure.
It's really quick. What's your name?
Josephine.
Josephine, how long have you been here in New York City?
7 days.
7 days, you're traveling here.
Yes.
And what did you like the most about the city?
Central Park.
Oh, it's great. And what did you dislike the most?
Oh gosh, the subways were a little overwhelming for the first 2 days, but got the hang of it. Google Maps was awesome.
Yeah. And if you could give any tip for the people that are coming here to New York for they like go to dinner or go to visit here, what would you say?
Paris baguette has been like my go-to breakfast every morning. There's no bakeries where I'm at like this, so I've been really taking advantage of the bakeries around New York.
Yeah, thank you so much, Josephine. Have a great stay here. That was great. Let me try to find. Yeah, after being ignored by most of the people here, I'm really trying. So, as you can see, it's being really tough to do this. Being a journalist has the good points and the bad points. But you could see there are really great people here that really talked to me and were really nice, asking me why I'm doing this. So it was really great. It's an experience really great. Besides the bad sides, the people ignored me, but I think it's something that I can have for my personal life and my career, and it's gonna be really great. So thank you guys, and that's it. You can cut for good, Dani.